Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on translation. A translation occurs when a shape or object moves in a straight line from one place to another. In simple terms, a direction and a distance are involved. Let's look at example 1. This is a music symbol. It's very popular. And it is moved in that direction for that particular distance. You can see that the shape is exactly the same, so nothing's changed with respect to the shape, just the position of the object, and it's moved in a straight line. Example 2, this light triangle has been translated up there, and there's the distance, and that's the direction. Example 3, this star goes from that position to that position in a straight line. You can see for each of those objects, the translated shape is the same as the original shape. The only thing that's changed is the position. Translations in real life. Look at these aeroplanes here. That's not a bad example of a translation. You can see that they have gone along in that straight line there, assuming that's a straight line. So they have just changed their position. The train on a straight track is a good example if we ignore the rotation of the wheels. So if we just take the main carriage, you can see that it is moving along the rail tracks, so it's changing its position. Tables that can be extended are a great example. Each part moves in a straight line for a given distance. That's quite easy to see there with that table. Sliding a chair closer to a table or away from it is a good example of a translation. And we see that quite often when we sit down to eat or we see people at a restaurant. They either slide their chair away from the table or they slide it closer, assuming that the chair travels in a straight line. So they're just very basic examples of translations in real life.